What are we doing, guys?
We're going fishing. I'm so hot though. I'm so sweaty.
Yeah, it's
boiling.
it's very hot.
I'm so cold. My mouth is literally boiling. Like me too.
Oh, no, त्यसरी boil भइरहेछ. Okay.
I'm melting like an ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. My head melts. Maybe I still remember. I remember everything.
Mm.
You know,
You're doing fishing? I think it's this place. When you can pull out and then throw it again somewhere else. अगाडि जा फ्रन्टमा अलि अगाडि जा न अगाडि keep pulling, keep reeling. Okay, there is no corn, there's no bait, so you have to put more bait. Okay, Alvin's first throw. अलि टाढा फाल न तर ठिकै छ What's that? Not moving. Oh, this is reel कर. Well done. Keep reeling. Patience, yeah? You have to be very patient. Lo, cast कर.
I can't reach.
Well done.
I did it in there.
Yeah. Well done. Just keep it like that. Kiri, Evin?
Let's cook them.
What, with the duck lay?
Yeah.
Do you want to eat the duck?
Yeah, let's just cook them.
Let's just cook them. Okay.
Daddy?
Yeah?
Daddy, so should I get this nut and then just cook it?
के चाहिँ
This fish? I can't.
त्यसरी कहाँ आउँछ त अनि आधा घन्टा पछि बोर भयो है
Yeah.
पेसेन्स भन्ने जिरो पेसेन्स ल छिटो जाम रिभरमा Go, let's go. एबिन एबिनले अड्कायो फेरि यहाँ माथि एबिन माथि भन्नाले उ त्यो ह्यान्डलमा ह्यान्डलमा समात्यो हो त्यहाँ ह्यान्डलमा समात्ने हो ओके लेट्स गो टु द hopefully this place is going to be good. We're going that side over there. We're going to go all the way. Yeah, we can go all the way. Uttapadi jam all the way. Which boat? That boat?
Yeah.
Okay. Just keep it like that. Waiting game now, yeah guys? You have to wait. You guys get bored?
They're already bored. I'm still rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Same. Rock. Even you can't pick a rock again. Maybe you've been picking rock like so many times. Shoot.
Is it?
Oh look, that big one down there.
Is it?
Yeah. But then I wanna do it.
Okay, reel it then.
Yeah, me too.
Reel it.
I wanna see. Wait. What did I cook the fish? Did I get any fish? No, I can't see it. There's so many fish. Look.
Oh, look.
Oh! I just saw a big one. Daddy, even stop moving. What?
त्यसले हुन्न अहिले
That was you.
हो र
Yeah.
होइन म होइन
So much pressure.
त्यसले त कहाँ हुन्छ त अनि हुन्न के
Oh, I got it, I got it.
Hmm. के चाहिँ गटेट गरे तैँले
I just got it.
Hmm?
Is it like this, Daddy?
No. Yes.
You get one fish. Come on, be patient.
You all right? Yeah. Let's go over there. Let's go over there. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, you wanna go home now?
Yeah.
You get bored? Okay, do it there then.
Oh, look at the fish. Look at here. No, look at the fish here. There's so much fish here. Look.
बोर भयो
No,
हाँ
no.
किन नो भनेको
I'm just
रिल्याक्सिङ हो कौन त अर्को you wanna what, you wanna go home now?
Yeah.
You bored now?
Yeah.
Are you bored?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is my fishing rod broken?
ब्रोकन होइन त्यसरी राखेको त्यहाँ त प्याक गरेर राखेको छ नछोड छोड दे तैँले गर्दैनस् भने त्यस फाइन
Wait. Why is it broken?
सुत्दै बस्न चाहिँ ओके दादाले फिस गर्छ त चाहिँ सुत्दै बस यो वाटर ऊ बकेटबाट वाटर निकाल्ने डु वान्ट टु डु इट
Yeah.
गेट द बकेट
I want this bucket.
यु वान्ट दिस बकेट ओके
Daddy,
want
I
water?
can't get it.
वाटर
No, that's disgusting.
डिस्कस्टिङ भयो यो पानी
Yeah.
ओके
Wait, potion.
ओके
Daddy, can I get it?
Get- वाटर
Yeah. The fish. The fish is gonna go in the tiny.
ओके ल वाटर भयो द्याट्स अ वाटर फर यु युआर फिसिङ
Yeah, I'm fishing in the tiny pond.
ओके ओके
Getting some food. Fish food.
दुईजनाले फिस गरिरहेछ
Hello.
and they are all right, they're loving it, but this one don't want to fish. He was bored.
Daddy, you want the thing and the fish is eating it. Beep, 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 beep. The fish is eating it.
Okay, blue tweezers.
And this.
Okay. You want what?
Candy.
Candy.
I'm gonna grab you.
Candy man. आफै क्यान्डी जस्तो भन्छ ल क्यान्डी क्यान्डी
I'm gonna grab you. Don't run.
No, don't grab me, Candy. आया नगर न
I need my candy and go.
कता जाने
Candy and go, I said.
Candy and go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy, let's go there.
Let's go then.
Yeah.
You're bored.
Yeah.
Bored भयो
I don't know.
हाँ भूख हाल्दिम. Do you wanna throw? We can go over there, not here, all the way up. No, not here, not here. Evan, what did you say? Is our luck is bad, is it?
Yeah.
We can't get the fish. Okay.
Yeah.
Jump. Let's go. Today is a disaster. They
I want to eat candy.
didn't catch anything.
But we got candy.
Yeah, and we're gonna catch later. How many planes are there? Oh, 4 planes.
Like this.
कति हो त्यो?
5.
नेपालीमा कति हो त्यो?
Bats.
5 होइन 10.
Yes.
हुन्छ ल ल के ल गन त ल गन त सुरुबाट एकछिन भाइलाई गर्न देन ल सुरुबाट गन होइन भएन फेरि सुरुबाट 1 2 3 4 5 अनि okay, first experience not good, so we didn't catch any fish, but we're gonna go to pond, a big lake next time, isn't it, Evan? So
Stop doing that.
wow.
I'm gonna catch the fish.
Okay, कार यहाँ आयो ल यहाँ राख पछाडि राख होइन उता छौँ उता क्यान तिमीलाई भोक लाएर हो क्या ल बस Guys, where are we going today? Oh, you don't know, eh?
Help me wear my socks.
एकछिन आफै लगा
I can't.
ट्राई आई कान्ट होइन पहिला ट्राई गर न
I'm gonna tell mommy.
अनि जा मम्मीलाई भन्दैछु त्यस्तै नि हुन्छ र गम्बुट
Kind of.
हुन्न त्यस्तो
Yeah, look.
ओइ बाध्य कुक हाल्ने हैन
Buckle my
अर्को लगा न
3, 4. Buckle some more.
त्यो एरो लिएर कतै हिँड्न लाग्यो फेरि त
90.
हाँ
90, that's not an arrow.
के हो त
That's
नि
like a thing for violet, like the Nepal.
ओ सारङ्गीको त्यो लिएर किन हिँडेको डङ्गा के अरे डन्डा सारङ्गी बजाउने हो ल जाम ल हिँड
They may just want to play with that like a cat as a sword.
ल छिटो हिँड Okay, where are we going now?
Fishing!
तिमी जम्पर खै लगाएको
मेकअप गरेको छैन कि
यता सुते हाई या
मान्छेहरू आइरहेको रहेछ पर्सबाटै रहेछ यतै रहेछ यो बेनबरी गिफ्ट यही रहेछ बुढी फिस युज गर्ने चाहिँ हामी त माछा मार्न आएको खास गरी तर यहाँ त खै पार्किङ छैन जस्तै छ बुढी यहाँ
त्यो उस ग्यारेन्टी पर्ने यही हो
हँ?
माछा पर्ने
यहाँ गर्छ एक्सेप्ट छैन यहाँ should we go and feed the fish first? Let's go feed the fish.
Wait, why do we? What the heck are they doing? What the heck are they doing? Wait, why is
झन् ढाँटेको त यार
Wait, there's an alligator there. Hello. Wait. Oh, Daddy, look at that.
Oh,
I see something.
oh, let's go.
Another one there.
Another one there. Oh, this is nice.
Daddy,
Oh,
there's another pond.
oh, should we go over there and feed the fish? Oh, barbecue गर्ने ठाउँ पनि रहेछ बुढी यहाँ समात
Oh my God, Mommy, look at that. Should we feed the fish there?
Let's go over there. उता ल उहाँ गएर फिड गर माइज
I'm not gonna eat it.
What? Huh? Oh, भरिया हे भरिया Oh yeah, there's a fish there. Come on, give it to them.
Careful.
Ooh, ooh.
I can still see it.
Gloves किन लगाएको A1 फेरि
Daddy,
यस्तो गर्मीमा
Daddy, look at this.
अह
Look around it. This country. What the heck? Stop doing something.
Ooh. Oh.
The one with is having a blood in that. The dogfish fish. You want some you Eva, look at my powers. I can make fish come out.
Guys, to this way.
Oh, that
Hmm?
sticky fish there.
Let's see. Okay, here. Oh, look, there's a barbecue area as well. Oh, रिजर्भ त लेखेको छैन ल गरेर राख्दियो त त्यसरी फुल ब्याग नहाल्न त अनि because we need it.
I'm not gonna eat those. I'm gonna make fish cup. Fish. Okay, then I want fish now.
You want to fish now?
Okay.
Not here.
Wait.
You have to.
Eben. Careful.
Let's go that side with the playground area. Yeah?
Hello. Hello.
Give it to ducks.
Hello. Fish. Okay. Yeah. Is that alive?
See? Duckले खाएको हेर्न.
He was. That dog grabs it.
क्वाक क्वाक गर्न तिमीले नि.
Why are they coming to me? Can we pet
त्यहाँ
it?
किन राखेको?
Yeah. Can we pet it? Okay. Can we pet it?
Yeah, go. Try to pet it. हातमा हाल्न हातमा यस्तो यस्तोरी हातमा हालेर लैजा न खाना लैजा खाना हातमा हालेर
Did you do it?
यस्तो गर्न हातमा हालेर
Did you do it?
You do it.
No, you
I'm
did.
not gonna do it.
You said. Yeah. So you try.
Look like this. Look. Eben, look. Oh no, it's not biting. Here you go. Oh, there are more fish here. तर्सेको
It's a baby swan.
त्यो त बेबी हो बेबी
Baby swan. वो अघि white वाला थियो नि, white one is a mother swan. Okay, don't know like. Look at. Oh yeah, it's not the mother. It's खाएको नि.
He loves it. Mommy, can you pass it?
त्यसरी Alvin, what are you doing?
Oh, but the fish will just come up.
This is a blue trout. This is blue trout. UK को गण्डकी trout.
It's not
अलि धेरै चाहिँ न.
Oh, fish.
Yeah.
Get those. Oh. Can I hold that?
Oh, आए.
That's a mother swan.
मदर सन आयो है यो खानाको लागि अब
You don't have any eyes.
अलि धेरै चाहिँ न. हो त्यस्तो.
खाएको होइन पच गरेर
Why is that so fast to eat?
हङ्ग्री भएछ नि त ऊ सन
That's where the fish goes. Can I have some? You can fish anywhere. Oh, you're just putting it away.
ओके यहाँ राख ओ दे
I'll hold it.
कहाँ होल्ड यति धेरै छ
I want to go in the playground. Oh, I can see that.
Wait. Come on, you can do it.
Why is it?
Assault course, come on, you can do it.
This is so wobbly. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? This is too slow.
अर्की छ त त्यही
I'm not.
यो माछा त्यो देखे उता खोइ म राख्दिन्छु
Daddy, we're not going to use any.
Oh, look, Abin, there's a tractor. Tractor. Go on.
That's the wheel stuff.
Oh, wheeler.
Then your turn first.
Huh? जान छिटो
Daddy,
ए
this is. I'm the straw. I'm. Let's go to another one there. I can see it.
Daddy उता बस्नु दिएको छ।
Even look.
कहाँ माथि
कि एभनलाई गरिदिनु त
म एवनलाई गरिदिन्छु Come on, you have to watch the video, yeah? You have to watch the video first, come on. Yeah, you have to watch the video. Yeah, you two need to watch the video. So, here, okay.
Is it just the two of them?
Two of them, yeah, two rods.
Might be better just have one and then swap. One of them does the netting, one does fishing, and then they swap over.
Oh, yeah, we
It'll
can do
easier,
that.
Otherwise, you have two of everything.
Yeah.
You need two nets.
Alright, okay. Should be fine, yeah, I just want you to find that.
Yeah.
Okay. Look carefully, yeah? That's the instruction.
Welcome to Catch Your Own Fishing here at Bibury Trout Farm. Please pay attention to this video and then we'll be happy to answer fishing area. Also, once in the fishing area,
Do you want to hold the bucket?
Yeah. When you finish, just bring the bucket up here. We'll weigh the fish for you.
Yeah.
Give you a price for everything altogether.
Alright, no worries. Thank you, thank you. Let's go. Where do you want to go? Hmm?
Like this is a bin bucket.
Oh! Let's go over here. Yeah? Is that going to be alright?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, you ready? Evan now. Evan, you ready? Go. Go over there and put it.
Guys, be careful.
Put it there, put it there.
How about control? Why that's one?
He's taking care of himself.
Oh, you got to do. Hey,
Oh,
Evan, put it this one over here. Put it this one here.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Take it out. Take it out.
Let me take a picture for you.
Ah.
That's my fish. Got this. I have. That is
Huh?
so easy because there's so much fish, but I just put it in there.
Oh, okay. We need a bucket.
So heavy. Evan.
Samantha.
It's
Thodi sa
so heavy. It's so heavy. Just put it upside down. Yeah. So then you put it in the oven. What? Then you put it. It's still moving.
बुरा बकेटमा राखिदिनु you don't have to. बकेटमा राखेर मर्छ
Why is it keeping moving? I'm so scared.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Why is it still alive?
Oh my god. Slimy. Okay, कसको टर्न हो अब एभनको टर्न कि एभिन
the food? Evan.
It's so. Wait.
उयो एभिनसँग छ फुड एभिन
I think it's
Evan, food, please.
Oh, keep it moving.
जानु
It's moving. It's moving. Oh wait. Put it. Put it up.
एभिन तलै राख तलै
Moving.
Okay, leave him.
Both hands. Mama, look. The fish is moving.
अह
Daddy.
Bhai na, Elvin nagar na.
एल्भिन एभनले तानेपछि मात्र वेट
Oh, somebody ate it. Somebody ate it. Evan, give me that. Yeah, bhaima rakhna Elvin, I need a food. तर आफूले न खाला अस्ति यार. Oh my god. दुईटै बोकेर हिँडेछ.
Let's go. Go there.
Uh-oh.
So what you have to do is,
Uh-oh.
Evan, when Dada catch a fish, you have to kick the fish. Jay. नदे अहिले त नदेन एकछिन उ त्यो दादाको फिस खान्न के फेरि 1 2 3 गो
The teeth fell out. Daddy. Mom, come on.
What?
See the teeth fell out. Daddy.
Huh?
I can see the teeth fell out.
ओ टिथ फेल आउट
Yeah, look. There's no.
अब डेन्टिस्टकोमा जाने हो के त्यो फिस लएर
I'm gonna cook it.
यु गोना कुक इट
Yeah, because I'm gonna eat it.
यु गोना इट द फिस नफाल सबै There you go. Come on here. Okay. Other way. Flip it.
Like this?
Like that.
Go.
Okay. Here you go.
Mama. This is.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna smash it. Help me.
I'll help you out. Wait. उता लैजा त भित्र एभन भित्र लैजा न यो त सानो खालको रहेछ यो त हिर्काउने होइन क्या तैँले होइन ड्याडीले हिर्काउने छ आउने स्म्यास हिट गरे ओए बौला फिसलाई स्म्यास गर्छु हुन्छ ऊ डन्डा समात त्यसो भए
I'm gonna smash those.
Okay, mommy, you do it.
Come on.
Mommy, you do it.
I'm very good at it. I'm very
खा
good at
खा खाना दिनु त्यसलाई चबाएकै छैन चबाउनै पाएको छैन यो लास्ट गरौँ है बुढी
Mama, pull. Just pull. Pull, mommy. Ready, pull. You're so ugly.
वाट के भन्छ
This is so ugly.
न यहाँ गर यहाँ ओ यहाँ
Wow.
ओके
And flip.
ओके फ्लिप
What do you do?
I don't know
Moving, it's moving.
What do you want?
Moving to the tail.
You don't want to be what?
I don't want to be a fish like that.
Okay. Okay, you don't want to be a fish like that. Okay, let's go guys, yeah? Let's go.
Okay.
Should we go now? Let's go. Should we go? Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Cheers, thank you very much. Thank you. यहाँ चाहिँ आई थिङ्क 3-4 पाउन्डमा चाहिँ उनीहरूले गरिदिँदो रहेछ तर आफै पनि गर्न पाउँदो रहेछ फिस काट्ने साट्ने आन्द्रा भुनी सबै निकाल्ने आफै गर्न मिल्दो रहेछ यहाँ चाहिँ गाइज डु यु वान्ट कट द फिस
Yeah.
You know how to cut the fish?
I want to cut the fish. Then you cut the fish.
Okay.
So.
यो हो फिस काट्ने यिनीहरूले यहाँ कैँची प्रोभाइड गरिदिँदो रहेछ फिसको लागि काट्न लाग्यो यहाँ फिस काट्न पाउँदो रहेछ यहीँनिर फिस पनि काट्ने अनि उनीहरूले अलिकति पैसामा गरिदिँदो रहेछ तर आफै पनि गर्न मिल्दो रहेछ क्या यहीँ काटेर लाने के गर्ने यहीँ काटेर लैजाउँ है भइहाल्यो नि अरू त केही गर्नै पर्दैन ल यो आन्द्राभोलि निकालिदिउँ भइहाल्यो होइन अरू त के नगर भन यो पित्त चाहिँ फुट्नु होला क्या यहाँ पित्त यति भयो भनेपछि डन किन भिजायो फेरि अनि किन भिजाएको त नि Hold on. Huh? Oh, fish over there in the puddle. Don't go. मेरो गाडी मैला गर्छ कि तिमीहरुले ल जाम let's go. Okay. It's not a photo, it's a video. So how's the fishing?
Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you like it most?
I like the fishing one.
And then you?
I like the net. I'm so good at it.
And you? Killing no one, फेरि.
I want to kill it. I want to kill it.
Hola.
It's you one.
Okay. Nice 2 hours go. हाम्रो tour. It's a nice place to be honest. राम्रो रहेछ कोर्सोलमा. हो हाइकिङ गर्ने ठाउँ. अनि गाउँ घुम्ने ठाउँ and बच्चाको लागि fishing. Okay, fishing water back. तर fishing water back सबै भुस. Evin, wake up. Let's go.